Came across a PVX file in a Sage 100 system and wondering how to access the data? This format defines views in the ProvideX database backbone. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with ProvideX view files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the PVX format and dozens of others obsolete. Users encounter .pvx files as custom reports or data views generated by Sage 100 ERP software. They are typically trying to open, view, or print business data, like financial statements or inventory lists that were exported or saved in this specific format, often for sharing with colleagues. The .pvx format is a proprietary binary file designed by ProvideX for Sage. It encapsulates both the data and the layout's formatting instructions for a specific view or report. This binary structure ensures data integrity and efficient rendering within the Sage 100 environment, preventing easy modification outside the application. The core professional tool for handling the PVX format is Sage 100 from the Sage Group plc. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the PVX file and hit Open with. Test Sage 100 if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. If you cannot access the PVX file, no problem. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in Sage 100. Sage 100 ERP processes PVX files automatically as part of its normal operation. Access view data through Sage 100's data import, data export, and reporting modules, which use PVX definitions to query the underlying ProvideX database serving common business workflows like reporting and analysis. Next, editing with ProvideX. Use ProvideX development tools or Sage Visual Integrator to modify PVX file definitions for custom reporting needs. These tools provide structured editors for adjusting field selections, filter criteria, and join conditions, enabling business users and developers to customize Sage 100 data views. Finally, exporting view data. Run PVX views through Sage 100's export functions to deliver data to Excel, CSV, or other formats for analysis outside Sage 100. This enables sharing report data with stakeholders lacking Sage 100 access while preserving the structured field organization defined in the PVX view files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.